If you enjoy reading articles online, Vivaldi includes a handy reader view feature that removes distractions and lets you focus on the content. In this video, I'll show you how to enable reader view, customize its appearance, and switch back to the normal web page whenever you want. To get started, open an article or web page that supports reader view. When Vivaldi detects suitable content, you'll see a reader view button on the right side of the address bar. Simply click the reader view button to activate it. As soon as reader view is enabled, the page will be simplified. Advertisements, pop-ups, sidebars, and other distractions are removed, leaving only the main content of the article. This can make long articles much easier to read, especially on websites with a lot of visual clutter. You'll also notice that the reader view button becomes highlighted, making it easy to see that reader view is currently active. Another useful feature is the reading time estimate displayed below the article title. This gives you an idea of how many minutes it should take to read the content. Reader view can be customized as well. Press Ctrl plus F12 to open settings, then go to Web Pages and scroll down to the Reader section. Here you can adjust options such as the font style, font size, line height, column width, and color scheme. These settings allow you to create a reading experience that's more comfortable for your eyes. If the option Display Settings on Page in Reader Mode is enabled, you'll also be able to access these customization options directly from a Settings button displayed on Reader View pages. Keep in mind that Reader View is only available on supported pages. If you don't see the Reader View button in the address bar, the current page may not contain content that can be displayed in Reader View. To exit Reader View, simply click the Reader View button again. You now know how to use Reader View in Vivaldi. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more browser tutorials, tech guides, and helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.